So in terms of our contribution to NATO, we'll be on Quick Reaction Alert, or QRA. We'll have our fighters, as you see the one behind me, the FGR-4, primed and ready with our crews, our engineers and our technicians to launch that aircraft and defend NATO's airspace. This opportunity is fantastic actually to work with our NATO partners. There's a number of different air forces located here at MCAB, and we get to fly with those regularly, both in the QRA roles but also in terms of training. And you know, our nations here, we've got opportunity with ground forces, air forces, and in particular you know, those nations coming together. And we've already conducted some training with the American contingent here at the base. So we're seizing everything we can just to make sure we are better, our skill set's honed, and we're working professionally with each other.
Overall, the enhanced air policing makes NATO safer through multiple means. We're getting the chance to train and integrate closely with our NATO allies. We're airborne and we're securing the borders and just making sure that we have a presence across the entire eastern flank for NATO. The forward presence is important to show that we're here in solidarity, visibly and physically, with our Romanian partners. It allows us to get airborne and provide better protection and support for the NATO borders. And it's excellent training to work with all of the allied partners in different airframes and different mission jets.